Hey everyone! Today I'm introducing our star product, the CSJ-G502C digital printer. First, let's look at its core performance. It prints up to 30 meters per minute. Max print width is 54 millimeters, pattern width up to 54 millimeters too, and there's no limit on print length. The max feeding width is 400 millimeters, super flexible for different materials. The highlight? This printhead rotates 90. From printing? No problem, plastic bags, lunchbox lids, all kinds of plastic products. Side printing? Easy. Plastic cups, lunchbox sides, paper cups. And it even supports variable data printing. No plate making needed. Just import PDF or TIFF files on the computer. Perfect for small batch, multi-variety production, solves high plate making costs and milk issues for packaging businesses. Check out the feeding end. It handles 100 cups per minute. That's 6,000 per hour. Then the printing head, and right after in LED drying. Prints dry instantly, no waiting. And its volume 1.5 meters long, 0.9 meters wide, 1.5 meters high, fits any factory space. Oh, and the cost? Only $0.0004 per logo. From plastic lunchboxes to industrial packaging, furnace-side printing, this CSJ-G502C does it all. Next, let's take a look at our customer site. This is a customer printing plastic model. This customer is printing plastic plates and customizing them in small quantities. When they finished printing the dinner plate, they rotated the print head to continue printing the plastic cups, which can print about 100 in 1 minute. This customer is printing crystal cups. The printing cost of a logo is only $0.0004. This machine can also print paper cups and easily print logo in 1 second. Next, let's look at the adhesion of ink. This machine is customized for Dubai customers and can print both sides at one time. This machine is a digital printer customized for customers who need full automation, which can automatically feed and receive materials. If you have any customization needs, we can also customize with your needs.